How to increase render distance in Aternos Server. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Aternos website right here through our browser, and then make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, once you're here, what we want to do is to, of course, go into the server wherein we want to change the render distance. So let's say, for example, that we want to change the render distance of this server. So let's click that. And then once you are now here, make sure that, of course, you stop the server first. And then once you do that, what we want to do is to click the files, which is located right here. And then you will see this server properties. So just click that server properties right there. You should be redirected into this page, wherein if you scroll down, you should be able to see the simulation distance and then the view distance. So all you have to do is to, of course, change it from 5. So that is the default view distance of your server. So if you want to make it farther, all you have to do is to, of course, increase the value. Let's say, for example, to 10, and then click the save button. So once you click that and you have seen the check mark right there, it indicates that it has been already changed. So what we want to do next is to go here again on the server, and then let's turn that server on again. And then once you do that, you can now check it by playing into your server and see if the render distance or the view distance is now farther. So that is basically it. That is how to increase render distance in Aternos.